Samiran Khatun. She will come here and deliver a speech on the last Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Good morning everyone. Today my topic is Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Allah is great and almighty. Allah is the creator and sustainer of the universe. He knows all the secrets of earth and heaven. Once Allah said to the angels, I will create a deputy on the earth. Angels said, will thou place therein one who will make mischief there and shed blood? We do celebrate the praises and glorify the holiness. Allah said that I know, you know not. Allah sent down Adam and Eve to this earth. He spread their descendants all over the world. He sent messenger for guidance. At last Allah sent his beloved and the last messenger for guidance. His name is Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who brought the Quran. There is a complete guidance in the Quran. He brought guidance for everyone. His religion, Islam, is a complete religion. Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was born on 22 April 571 after Christ at Makkah in Arabia. That year was called as the year of elephants. Do you know the reason of it? In that year, the king of Yemen, Abraha, attacked on Makkah. He wanted to destroy the Kaaba. He came to Makkah with a huge army. He took with him elephants. The people of Makkah did not see the elephants. When Abraha came near the Kaaba, Allah sent a flock of birds. The birds threw pebbles on the army. The elephants, the army and the king Abraha were killed by these small stones. So that year became famous as the year of elephants. Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam belonged to the Banu Hasim family, which was a part of the Quraysh tribe. His father was Abdullah, who passed away before the birth of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. His mother's name was Amina. Halima Sadiya nourished Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He stayed with Halima for 4 years. His mother Amina also died when he was 6 years old. After the death of his mother, he was brought up by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib. 2 years later, he also passed away. Then his uncle Abu Talib took care of him. At the age of 12, Abu Talib took his nephew to Syria on a trading journey. In Syria, they met a Christian priest by the name of Bohera. Bohera recognized Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam as the future prophet of Allah. He told Abu Talib to take care of his nephew. There was a widow by the name of Khadija in Makkah. She heard the honesty and truthfulness of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Khadija wished to marry him. When they were married, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was 25 and Khadija was 40 years old. Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam spent his time at the cave of Hira to pray to Allah. This cave is 5 kilometers from Makkah. Allah sent first verses of Quran to him in this cave. Angel Gabriel appeared before him and told to read. That was the night of Ramzan. He was 40 years old when this happened to him. After 3 years of prophethood, Allah ordered his Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to preach the message of Islam openly. He told people God is one. People of Makkah worshipped a number of idols, treating them as God. So the people became angry. They began to tease him. They threw rubbish on him. So Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam decided to leave Makkah. That's all. Thank you all of you.
Very much thank you, Samiran Khatun, to come here and delivering a good speech on last Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. ये समीरन ने क्या कहा, हमारे नबी जो थे लास्ट प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम वो दुनिया में कैसे आए और कब आए, उनके वालिद का नाम क्या है, उनके वालिदा का नाम क्या है और उस साल क्या हुआ था। जिस साल हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम इस दुनिया में आए उसी साल एक फील का वाक़या हुआ था। यानी मक्का में अबरहा ने, एक यमन का बादशाह था, उन्होंने हमला किया था और अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त ने उसके हाथी को, छोटे छोटे अबाबिल जो परिंदा होता है, उस परिंदे के ज़रिए उस परिंदे ने उस हाथी में मारा एक वो कंकर और कंकरी से ही हलाक। तो उसी को फील ईयर भी कहा जाता है। सुमैया खातून एंड नोमान अंसारी, I request both of you to come here and represent introductive dialogue.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine.
And who are you?
I am MD Noman Ansari.
What is your father name?
My father name is MD Alamgir Ansari.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Shakila Bibi.
What does your father do?
My father is a priest.
What is your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 3.
Where do you read?
I read in Sir Syed Memorial Public School.
How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
How many siblings have you?
I have 4 siblings.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a teacher.
What is your hobby?
My hobby are reading and playing.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is Kolgapur.
Who is your role model?
My role model is brother.
What is your mission in future?
My mission in future is to serve society.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
See you again.
See you again.
वेरी मच थैंक यू बोथ ऑफ यू। अभी ये दोनों आया और इंग्लिश में एक दूसरे से कैसे बातचीत करते हैं, यानी जब हम किसी को नहीं जानते हैं और हमें एक दूसरे के बारे में जानना हो तो किस तरह बात करते हैं, आप कौन है, आपका घर कहाँ है, आपकी चॉइस क्या है और आपके फादर क्या हैं, मदर क्या हैं, इसी के बारे में ये दोनों ने बात की और बहुत अच्छी अंदाज में बात की, इसलिए हम इन दोनों का बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं।
Wrong, so as right, my Muhammad. Dearest to Allah, my Muhammad. Nearest to Allah, my Muhammad. The best of creatures flown to Allah, my Muhammad. King of kings, my Muhammad. Brought us things, my Muhammad. The best teacher, the best his teachings, my Muhammad. That's all. Thank you, all of you.